from MySQL table, and display on web page. In previous part we have already discussed how to set up Laravel 5.8 framework for perform CRUD operation. Now we have start discussing. For this we have go to CRUD's controller.php file, and here we have go to index method. Under this method, we have write $data variable is equal to CRUD model class, with latest method with paginate method with 5. Here we have use CRUD model class, so this latest method will add an order by clause for a time statement to the query, and this paginate method will paginate the given query. Below this we have write return statement, with view method. Under this we have write index view file, and in second argument we have write compact method with data. This view method will load index.blade.php file in browser, and by using compact method, it will fetch data from this data variable. For make pagination link, here we have add with method. This method will set the relationships, so under this method, we have write I as first argument. And in second argument, we have write request method with input method with 2 argument like page and 1, -1 into 5, this code will make pagination link. Now we have go view folder, in which we have already created PHP blade file like create.blade.php, edit.blade.php, index.blade.php, parent.blade.php and view.blade.php. So, first we have open parent.blade.php file. This is file we will use as parent file of all file. In this file we have already loaded jQuery and Bootstrap library. Under this file, we have write at the rate yield direct, with main. This directive is used to display content of a give section. Now we have open index.blade.php file, and here we have write at the rate extends directive with file name parent. This directive will inherit content of parent.blade.php file. Below this we have write at the rate section directive with yield directive name main. This directive define the section of parent.blade to PHP file. First we want to close section directive content, so here we have write at the rate end section. Now we have moved to write HTML code, so here we have make table with 4 table column like image, first name, last name, and action. For fill table with data, so here we have write at the rate for each directive with condition like $data as $row variable. This directive we can use as for each for fetch data from $data variable. For close at the rate for each directive, so here we have write at the rate end for each directive, it will close at the rate for each directive. First we want to display images from public folder, and under this we have one images folder, so we want to fetch image from this images folder. So here we have write image tag with source is equal to Laravel expression, and between this we have write URL class with to method with slash. It will return public folder URL. After this we have write images folder / Laravel expression, and between this we have write $row with image object. It will display image from Laravel public directive images folder. In second table column, we want to display first name table column data, so here we have write Laravel expression, and between this we have write $row variable with first name object. In third table column, we have write Laravel expression, and between this we have write $row variable with last name object. It will display last name table column data. In last column, we want to make 3 button like show data button, edit data button and delete button, but we will make this button when we will discuss that CRUD operation. Now here we have write Laravel expression, and between this we have write $data variable with links method. It will make pagination link. Now we want to set root for all CRUD operation, so we have go to roots folder, and open web.php file. Under this file, we have write root class with resource method, with 2 argument. In first argument we have write URL segment name, CRUD, and in controller name we have write CRUD's controller. This method will set root for all method of CRUD's controller, so we do not want to set root for each method of CRUD's controller. For run Laravel 5.8 application, we have go to command prompt, and here we have write this command. It will start Laravel server, and return base URL of your Laravel application. Friends, here we have write base URL / CRUD, which we have defined under resource method, so on web page, we can see CRUD table data on web page in table format. So, this first CRUD operation, in which we have performed in Laravel 5.8 framework, in which we have discussed how to fetch data from MySQL table, and display on web page in HTML format. In next part, we will discuss how can we create new data for insert into MySQL table in Laravel 5.8 framework. If you have any query or input regarding this video tutorial, please comment your query or input in comment box, or if you like this video tutorial please share with your friends, or even you can also share on social media also. If you want to get more update regarding our video tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel for get more update regarding release of future video.